this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Shrimp and rice and some yellow beans. Those yellow beans came from our little garden. My hubby grew them, so he's all excited to give them a try. And then I just put some radishes on there and a little bit of the of this great sauce, Kraft Bacon Caesar sauce, over the top. And the rice has some soy sauce. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Some baked beans, a little vegetable salad here, and a hot dog. Good. And here's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Some chicken wings, President's Choice chicken wings, with the Dollar Tree buffalo chicken wing sauce and some blue cheese. And I forgot to film, we had a little veggie plate with some cauliflower, some peppers and radishes. And I'm also having some water. And that's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Good. So here's what we're having for dessert tonight. I got it from the Canadian Dollar Tree. It's it's berry blue jello. And here it is. And I'll have to let you know how it tastes. So here is the berry blue jello, like I said earlier, that I got from the Canadian Dollar Tree. We're having for dessert. Swiss chalet, oh, it's so good for so little. And yes, they should stick with that because their chicken is very small nowadays, it seems. But anyways, still very good. This is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Swiss chalet dipping sauce. And now you can get these, I think we got it at Giant Tiger, I'm not sure, or you can get it at the grocery store, I think. No trans fat or cholesterol, no artificial flavors, colors. So that's awesome. And then I bought these Cavendish diced hash browns, but you can use any kind you want. And this is what I did with those two items. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. And I've made something like this before. So this is just the hash browns. I grated some mozzarella cheese. I cooked up 2 chicken breasts, and then I cut them, and then I put the dipping sauce, which is this, over it. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. And like I said, I always usually do veggie, some sort of veggie plate or whatever as well. So there you have it. Good. Very easy to do. Here's a quick dessert. It's probably nothing new, but I've just started doing it and it's really good. You take a ice cream sandwich bar, cut it into little squares, then get some whipped cream and some chocolate sauce, and here you have it. Here's the dessert. Oh my gosh. It is so yummy. That's what we're having for dessert tonight. Good. Beautiful sky on a summer night.